YouTube, what's happening? It's your boy Kevin Love again. Happy Sunday, fun day. It's another request from Caden's Vax and More. He wanted to see my black and gold Eureka Powerline 11 amp. Do a full video of I said a full video. A full house video. I'm not gonna do no full house, man. But what I will do is I'll run both of my power lines for you. As you can see, the one to my right, so what had happened was last year, I was trying to wash off the damn bag because the bag was like hella dirty. And so I was trying to wash the bag. When I got done washing the bag, the words fell off the bag. Like you can still like kind of see it. It's supposed to say Eureka Powerline right there. Pissed me off, man. So, I have a homegirl that specializes in that kind of work, and I've been meaning to catch up to her so she can like reprint the words back down the bag, but I just haven't had the time for it. But anyway, I have the same exact vacuums. When I got this one to the right, somebody had like took the head off of the hard bag one and put it on the soft bag one, and it says Powerline Plus. The plus was the hard bag, but it's pretty much the same exact thing. But I have two of them, and when I got the one to the left, I found that one next to a dumpster in like 2018, and the words was already off of that bag. So yeah, but they're a match. As you can see, they both 11 amp. So we'll go ahead and run them both. The one to my right, I believe, might need some motor bearings, but we'll still go ahead and run it. All right, I'm gonna let that one chill out, and then we're gonna go ahead and finish it up with this one. And I had to put some tape on this because this little part right here, there's a tab inside of there, and when I was moving here some years back, it like got hit, and it like broke the inside, so I had to tape it down. It still works though, so here you go. All right, for sure. There you go. I think I might go to the Goodwill today, man. I got a really good feeling. I don't know what it is. I just woke up in a really good mood this morning. And my inner spirit is telling me to go to Goodwill. I don't know what I'm going to find. I might get lucky and find something. I don't know. But I think I'm going to throw some clothes on and go to Goodwill. And later on, I'll make more videos. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Please watch, like, and subscribe. It's your boy Kevin Love, and I'm out. Peace.